Good evening and welcome to 4 Tunes of the Day, Week 1, Sunday. Goal of the day.
Phil, you've shown great character, but you're coming off, son.
What?
Okay, you can stay on a wee bit longer.
Clash of the day.
Get off me, you idiot.
What's your problem? You've got a chip on your shoulder, you have, and about 5,000 chips round your waist.
What?
Ha 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 ha.
Super save of the day. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? Oh no, it's Peter the Czech. What was he thinking? Changing room cam shot of the day.
Operation Roman's Trojan Horse is working perfectly.
Hot dog. Fans of the day. Debut of the day.
Today I will be playing Oxford, who is 16 weeks old. He's got great fetus for a big man.
And entrance of the day.
Here comes Mbemba in black. He's a Newcastle defender. Let me see you just slide with me, just slide with me, just slide with me, come on. Let me see you take a walk with me, take a walk with me, take a walk with me, come on.
When Arsenal signed Peter the Czech, my brother said he's finished and past it, but I disagreed. Is my brother right or wrong? Is Peter the Czech finished? Yes or no? Comment below. Thanks for watching. The Football Countdown song is available now on iTunes. Click below.